Do you want to know how to make these quick and delicious snacks? Let's get started. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be doing a lot of Christmas recipes, so stay tuned. And yes, so I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Nutella twist. That's so simple and easy, literally 3 ingredients except the powdered sugar, but it's so simple. So first of all, you're going to get a puff pastry. This can easily be veganized. You can use vegan puff pastry, and all you need to do is cut it in half. And once you cut it in half, you take only one side and put the other side aside, and you're going to put some spoonfuls of Nutella on one side of the pastry that you've cut, and then you're going to spread the Nutella evenly across the whole pastry, making sure you're getting as much Nutella around the whole pastry. Puff pastry right on top, and then just gonna roll everything together. Don't worry if it looks a bit messy. We are gonna cut the excesses off. We're not gonna waste them. You can just cook them as well, but since these are twists, I just trying to make them a little bit neater, but you do whatever you like. You don't have to cut the outside. I just did that for my preference. So after you roll it out a bit, rolling it helps the other layer stick to the Nutella layer, so that way you get Nutella evenly throughout the twist. So right now I'm just cutting off the excess. Now all you need to do is cut the pastry into strips like this. Just cut it with a knife or a pizza cut like I am, whatever suits you. To make the twist, all you need to do is take one strip and then just wrap it around each other. It's kind of hard to explain, but if you look at the video, you'll understand.